And as we saw earlier tonight, Kirksville impressed in their home opener, but tonight was also about the much anticipated showcase of the newly redone Spainhower field. Here's a look at the sights and sounds from a special night at Kirksville High.
The opening of Spainhower Field version 2.
Let's go, Bud!
First down for Kirksville at the 21-yard line. Number 24.
My favorite part of the night is probably just the whole student section and the band and cheering everybody on.
I just don't know how to describe it because I'm so proud of the field, and I know that John would just be hilarious with it. It's just a beautiful field, and everybody's been so good to me.
It's definitely a fun atmosphere to be part of tonight.